Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm a teacher who uses StudyLadder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a class, edit that class if you need to, and how to get your students working in StudyLadder, all in less than 5 minutes. So you need to enter your username and your password, and log in. Once you've done that, this is the screen you'll see. I'm going to go to the Classes tab. I like to use the tabs at the top here. You could also get there by clicking Add Class. Once I click on Classes, this is what you see. I need to add a new class. So I'll click Add a New Class. You need to give that class a name. Then you need to assign that class a grade level, and you need to type some names in there. You could type each name manually, or if you're lucky enough to have your class roster typed up somewhere else, you can just simply copy it and paste it right into that window. So I have just added all of my students, and now I'm going to create the class. That's it, the class is created. Let's say I made a mistake. Maybe I spelled Billy's name wrong. It was supposed to end with an I. Well, I can just change that right there and click Save Changes. Here are their very simple passwords. When you're in this, you can actually even change how the students log in. You can change how they access it. So the default is by typing in their password only. You could make it so that they need to type in their username and their password. Much more difficult, as you can see from these usernames here. And you can make it very easy by not requiring any passwords at all. They can just simply click their avatar and they'll be able to sign in. This is very helpful for, say, first grade students who would have trouble typing in these passwords or remembering them. For now, I'll keep it that way. Let's pretend now that maybe Harry here moved away. So if Harry moved away, in this same spot here, I can archive Harry. When I click archive, it says, "Are you sure you want to archive?" Yes, I do. Unfortunately, Harry has left us. And Harry disappears, and my class is back. Now, I am going to show you how to get back here. If you were on the StudyLadder homepage, all you would need to do is click Classes, and you're back at your class. But you can't edit those things like in that page that I was just on. So in order to change these things, you need to edit your class. There we go. Now I can edit my class. Also from inside here, you can do a few more things like print passwords. Now, the password sheet that it creates for you is a really nice little grid here. You can cut these strips out once you print them, and you can give them to your students. It gives them their username, their password, and the name of the website, so the URL, so they can get right in there. Very useful. I highly recommend printing these and giving them right to your kids. You can also download the passwords for yourself. If you're afraid students may lose them, which they always do, or they forget them, or they think of the wrong simple word, you can go ahead and download those passwords, or you can access them later on at the same place. Really, that's all you need to do to set up StudyLadder. Your students will automatically be put into all the different subjects and guided through them according to their grade level. If you want to set up extra or specific tasks, you can definitely go ahead and do that, and it would guide your students in a more specific path. However, that's it, it's done. Once you hand out these passwords, your students are ready to go with StudyLadder. Less than 5 minutes, and I really think it is a very useful tool. My students love it, and I think yours will too.